starting vlogs forever with my zit cream on. That's the new trend. It has been so cloudy. Look at this. So cloudy. Normally it's nice and sunny in here. Did someone say fall? I should have partial get ready. And before we get too into this video, I want to thank Express for sponsoring this vlog. We have a little fall try-on snippet going on in this vlog. You can get these things either in stores or online. I'm gonna have everything linked below, and I believe I also have a discount code that's just a custom thing for you guys to get some extra savings. So let's try it on. First up, we have this little burgundy corduroy top. It's kind of like a crew neck sweatshirt, and it is super, super soft. It's not too lightweight, but it's not like super thick either. I think it's just kind of like perfect for like a crisp fall day. Like won't have you sweating, but also isn't gonna keep you like warm if it's too cold out. But I just love the neckline of this. I think it's gonna be so cozy for just like either dressing up with like even these booties and these pants I'll show you in a second. For one pair of booties, I've been wanting like a low heel booty. Just in general, I want to get some like low heels that are like open toe even, because I feel like all mine are either like super tall or just like flat shoes, and I want a good like intermediate heel for like when I want to be like daytime dressed up, you know what I mean? I think these are super cute. Just have a little zip up on the inside, pointed toe, which I'm a fan of, and I think these would be cute with like a fall dress and like a really big cardigan. I have some cardigans I'm gonna show you, or with like some straight leg jeans. For a loungewear item, I got this little gray lightweight pair of sweats. I realized throughout time, even though I generally wear a medium in most everything, I don't know what it is with joggers, but they're always just like too big. I don't know why. So I got these in a small. I'll have sizing info in the description box as well for everything. And in the past couple months, I found, you guys know my like new fave gray sweatpant, like thick sweatpant, but I wanted a new little jogger, so I love those. And then lastly, for pants, if we get the lighting right, these have like a little faux leathery look to them. In the past, I've had like these little leathery look leggings from Express that I used to wear all the time, but I've been wanting for so long to get a pair of actual like jeans that are in this material, I guess, that like have this look. It felt weird not having anything on like the butt of the leggings. Super excited about this. I got them in a short length. I think those with that would be a cute outfit. Next, I also got two cardigans. So first up, I love this one. I love the stitching. I love the sleeves. I love the color. It matches my room. Everything about it, just, you know, A+, very quality piece. Again, I feel like this would be super cute over like a shorter dress to like have it be like a little longer look, carry it a little more into fall, less summer vibes, you know? Or again, with those like leather pants or just like any jean top moment, I just think like the long line cardigan look is just so flattering, you know, like trench coat vibes, but like comfy. So I'm obsessed with that. And then I also got just a little like black knit cardigan. This is so soft. I'll probably wear this one a little bit more casually, just because when I'm dressing up in like an all black outfit, I tend to wear like just a black jacket or leather jacket or something. But I think this is so cozy, like really solid staple black cardigan. Then I got this same jumpsuit in two colors, which is probably for the best because it's easier to see the detail on this one. But I was kind of thinking ahead to the holidays. I've been really into this like nude taupe neutral moment. Like in my last vlog, I just got a pair of pants like in the same color fabric, but I just thought it was simple and cute, enough like fun little accents going on. And then this was a good like fall crossover piece, and even like in spring, I think this color will be super cute. And then lastly, for a little black dress moment, that again, we're gonna be struggling to see details, but we just have this like ruched little like side line going on here. It's a pretty long dress, which I feel like it can be good for a really elegant situation. And the whole dress is a stretchy fabric, so it's super comfy. And then lastly, I just got a simple black mask. This style in general is just my favorite kind of mask, and I only have a couple that are like this, and I keep misplacing them, so I thought I would get another one. And that's everything I got from Express for fall, getting me hyped up. So again, everything's gonna be linked below. Now I need to like do my hair actually and shoot some stuff for a Christmas Instagram campaign for a brand. I can't believe we are that far ahead, so I need to like pull out Christmas decorations. So that's what's up next. All right, did a little get ready. It's my first time putting on a sweater, I believe, this fall season, if you will, because it's been like 80 something. It might be starting to cool down this week. I think we're gonna get like some high 60s, low 70s weather, which is like sweater weather here in LA. All that to say, put on this sweater, and I got out a couple Christmas decorations, which is thrilling me about when we decorate this house for Christmas. I think it's gonna look phenomenal. I think it is about time that I replace the glass screen protector on my phone. It's gotten a little shattered with time. I swear by these though. I have never shattered an actual phone screen in my life. I just crack these all the time, and it's been a minute. For my iced coffee today, I'm out of oat milk. Huge issue, I know, first world problems. Or the grocery store was out actually, so I got coconut milk. Haven't had coconut milk in so long, and the taste is just so off. I'm just not into it. I was considering having today be my errand day. I have, since moving, avoided going to find my new like Trader Joe's and Target because like I'm not going to the one I went to previously. I don't know, I haven't been yet. I don't know the layout of the store. I don't know where to park. You know, very minor issues, but it's just kept me from going. I'm like, what can I make out of everything I have in the freezer? Which isn't a bad thing. I feel like I'm actually eating like all of my groceries for once. There are a couple things, a couple key ingredients that I forgot, you know what I mean? So I need to go there and then I need to get a couple things from Target. Cleaning supplies, and we don't have any like Tupperware to store leftovers and things like that. And I need to do a final like donation drop. I need to get my car washed. May run my errands this evening, or it's looking like that may be my Friday. I kind of want to like just get ahead on like everything else. I don't know, like I just put in some laundry. I'm just gonna try to get all of my edit my last vlog, try to get all of my editing done. That way tomorrow can be more of just like a fun day. So you guys know I love my errands. Also, I have divided a nation. In the last vlog, I don't know if I've ever gotten such a passionate response to a question. I'm talking about the fridge debate, okay? Just wow, I mean, I guess the passionate negative response, but then there were people who were like so for it. Basically, I have this little mini fridge that I didn't want to get rid of, but I don't think there's a good place. Some of you guys are saying just put it in the corner of my room, which I guess, but I just feel like it's not the look of the room. Is it the look of the bathroom either? No. However, I feel like people's reasoning for not wanting this fridge in the bathroom, people think it's like gross. The drinks are in the fridge. I just don't get it. Like, if you're washing your hands as you should be, what's the issue? Like, you're just accessing a fridge like you would anywhere else, you know what I mean? And then there are also people who think I just don't even need it, and that is correct. However, sometimes it would just be nice to, you know, hop up and get something instead of going downstairs, which is not that far. But in the middle of the night when I'm thirsty, I'm too scared to go down there. Do I need it? Absolutely not. I was actually like, before I even moved it in there, had planned to like, I was fully set on selling it and was like about to list it. And then I needed to move it out of the way to set up my desk here. And that's why I even put it in there. I was like, well, I need to move it, so might as well set it there and then see what it looks like. I was not set on it. I am not set on it. It doesn't feel urgent to decide at this moment in time. Also, another reason that I did want to keep it just in general is because like we have 4 people sharing a fridge, and it's a pretty big fridge, but space goes faster than you would think. I think it's fun to have like a bunch of different beverages cold and ready to go. When you're sharing a fridge with 4 other people, you also have to be courteous about not taking up so much space on a bunch of like canned drinks, you know what I mean? That was why I wanted it to. That's my thoughts. I just think it's funny that people thought it was like outrageously disgusting. Like, I don't feel that way. I just feel like, what's the issue if you're a sanitary person? Also, we are getting so close to 100,000 on this channel, which is crazy. Never thought I'd see the day. And that'll mean I get a new play button plaque and a new one, because my last one for my main channel is the old style. And other exciting updates, my art has gotten in. So this is the old print that was above my desk at the last place. And I got, as I explained in the last video, I got 3 like big prints. I think they're supposed to be that size. I'm gonna put one horizontally here and then a big vertical in there and a big vertical in here. I feel like this light switch is gonna cause me problems for like the height I wanted it to be at. But anyways, I also have a question. Do we think I should get white frames, which would be exactly like this, or should I get black frames or gold frames? So those are the options. Initially I was thinking white was gonna be my least favorite, but now I feel like maybe I'm gonna lean towards white. I'm obsessed. Kinsey helped me when she was here sort through prints and like try to figure out which colors we thought would look best. Now I'm gonna do a little workout, probably another boxing video. I did that yesterday. It was actually fun, and I just forgot how kind of like, not effortlessly it gets your heart rate up, but it's just like, to me, it's like fun cardio, and then my heart rate's really up and I like it. Whereas like Chloe Ting stuff and things like that, I do like those videos, but it's like harder to push myself through. And when I'm boxing, it's just so fun. I don't know what I've been doing, not doing boxing workouts for so long now. Wearing a little camo set from Fabletics. We have a good outdoor space for working out, but there's like kind of an ant problem at the moment. So floor it is. Tonight in the morning, I need to take out these donations. We did it. Morning, happy Friday. I have kind of a huge to-do list today, so I need to establish how that's gonna happen, and I have so many errands I'm running. I'm washing my sheets right now, so have not made the bed yet. But first, avocado toast. Breakfast is served. I have the puniest amount of blueberries. What's on the agenda, where we are going from here. First up, need to go to the post office. I need to return something at Zara that I could mail back, or I could get my car washed at the Grove, where there is a Zara that is also by a Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. I need to get groceries at Trader Joe's, and I need to return an Amazon thing at Whole Foods. So I'm gonna do that, and I need to hopefully I'm gonna time this right with Goodwill. They like fill up so fast, like it is a mad dash. Everyone gets through at the same time, and then like the truck fills up and that's that. So hopefully I can make it today. Off we go. Errands have been run, sheets are washed, need to put those on the bed. For lunch, even though I just got groceries, I realized I had Postmates credit that was expiring today. So I ordered some salads for today and tomorrow. I'll have my Postmate code on screen if you would like free credit. All right, it's much later. The sun is mostly set. Ugh, I need to lay for a moment. I have a funny story and then I have some closet updates. On this night last week, maybe this is like a every like week thing. On this same night last week, it was later on. It was like 9 o'clock. I was getting in bed. I was watching TV and at first I thought I was hearing someone's TV in the house. Like they were watching some show, but I was hearing this like circusy merry-go-round, like I don't know, that type of music, or like ice cream truck music. So it sounded like to me, and I was like, what is that? So I thought it was on the show. 20 minutes go by and I'm like, this is not on any show anyone's watching. And so I went downstairs, only our other roommate Maddie was home then, and I was like, do you hear this music? And so she muted her TV and we could like barely hear it from her room, we could hear it from mine more. So then we were like, what the heck is that? It was like the creepiest clown music type thing, I don't know. And it was dark out, so we like went outside to like try to listen. So we start walking towards the back of the house and we're like, it's getting louder. And so we're freaking out a little because it sounds like it's like coming from out, like our backyard is producing this music. We were too scared to go to the backyard because we were like, is this coming from our backyard? So we like came back up and went out on my balcony to like, or like looked out from my balcony. It's like one of the houses on the street like over from us, you know, like our yards kind of back up to each other. At that point we could tell it was like classical music. It wasn't any of like the weird things we thought it was. And it was kind of peaceful, like it was a vibe for them, I guess. Much better than my old neighbors like blasting their like EDM music. I would take this any day of the week. So I just thought, oh, somebody's like watching, like playing some music, like outside, whatever. It's exactly a week later. Now it's only like 6 o'clock currently. I started hearing it again and I was like, what in the world? And so I like looked out. It's more light out right now. We had like a small orchestra like live going on. Like I guess the people that live there play like, looks like we got a girl on a flute, we got like a girl on a little violin type thing, we got just a lot of like wind instruments going on. I can see like 4 people all playing together. Maybe this is just their practice, maybe they're part of a bigger group, maybe this is a hobby, maybe they all live there. I really don't know. They're having their little classical music practice and I'm kind of here for it. Like they have their stands up with the music. I would get you a clip of it, but that's very creepy. A couple of closet updates. So one, I'm in a mirror predicament that I have been in, but I feel like haven't fully put together until I was filming those try on clips for Express. Every time I try on an outfit and come and like look in the mirror in my closet, I'm confused because I feel like I don't like how things look. Like, and I mean, it's not like I don't like how things look, they just look different than how they used to look. So I've been thinking that the issue is the mirror, that like, oh, this mirror just like, you know how some mirrors just look different? And so I was like, maybe this mirror just like isn't it for me. Like, I don't know what it is, but I was like, what is looking weird? Until I caught a glimpse of an outfit when I had this overhead closet light off, which like at this point it's gonna be dark because it's dark out, but it was like daylight and this was off. And I was looking at myself and I was like, this outfit looks different than it did when I had it on with the light on. So I turned the light on and then I didn't like it with the light on. And I've realized if this is like dressing room lighting, you know what I mean? Like there's no natural light in here. I'm looking at myself with like these, I mean, you can see just like shadows from the light above. Maybe everyone doesn't have this issue, or maybe some people can relate and agree, but I just don't think it makes anything look good. It's just like unflattering lighting. You know what I mean? Target dressing room, I'm getting that vibe right now. So that brings me to, I need a mirror. I didn't always want a mirror out in my bedroom. I've been trying to keep it minimal, like I've said. Basically, if there were a place for a mirror, it would end up being in this corner. Also, tonight is the night all this gets cleaned. But we would have a full-length mirror here, so it'd be kind of like a bed in the background. You know, it'd be good natural light coming from that way. Sometimes maybe I want to sit down and get ready. That'd be good natural light. Mirror pics, cute like background, the bed and whatnot. So now I am wondering, do I bring just the one from in here out there, this like big gold one? Option 2, leave it here, get a different mirror for in there. Some people in a previous vlog as well said like, why do you need a mirror in there? You should have that space for clothes. And like, I feel, but I don't need that space for clothes necessarily. Like everything fits. I do still want a mirror in here because I like when I'm just trying on outfits like fast and whatever to be able to instantly see it. Another task I'm about to do really quick. These boxes up here ended up going out to Target as well, and I picked up more of those, 6 more to be exact. Whatever's in that, I'm gonna switch over to like be in this. Guys, I am unwell. Beautiful sunset out of our little hallway. about to get dinner with Adrian. I don't know how I feel about this outfit. I got these like leather joggers that are supposed to be like a loose fit pant. Like they're just baggy central, you know?
Well, I just said holy it.
I ended up getting dinner with Adrian tonight. I have not seen her except for like one time on her birthday since I have moved out. Stay tuned to Instagram for some fire Halloween content coming up soon. I'm so excited. Just can't wait. So that is all. I will see you guys in my next video.